Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do the setup of the HDD which we bought the other day. You can go and check the unboxing in the previous videos. I'll leave the link in the description for it. So let's go ahead and take out our hard disk. Yeah. So let's go ahead and connect this to our laptop. Yep. So as the hard disk shows up in your MacBook or laptop, if you have a MacBook, then just press Command Shift at once, then it will show you the spotlight option. So you just go ahead and type in disk utility and click on the disk twice, like double tap on the disk to open it up. Go to the hard disk, and then if you see on top there are 5 icons, just click on erase. So you can just name it anything and erase it off. You can just erase it by selecting a format. Anyway, you're going to change it later. So just go and erase everything from it. So after erasing it, it will automatically get ejected. So just go ahead and plug it in again. So after you plug it in, you go to the hard disk, and then you go to the second option, which is partition. So it's a 2 TB hard disk, right? So I'm keeping 1 TB that I can use in MacBook and 1 TB that I can use in both Windows and MacBook. Okay, and it is easier if you keep 2 separate storage space in your disk. Yeah, so you can just go ahead and name it Mac. You have to select Mac extended journal. And other one I'm going to name Windows. So for Windows, you'll have to select the option exFAT. So if you select the option exFAT, it works in both Mac and Windows. Okay, so just go ahead and save it. Okay. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe. Peace.